Topic 14, Morning Time. Do you get up early in the morning? Well, it depends on my study schedule. If I'm on weekdays, I will get up early in order to prepare breakfast and get ready for school. But if I'm on weekends, I will wake up late because I want to relax a bit. But and in the future, if I really hope that I will have a habit of waking up early because I want to be a morning person, that I felt I can have extra power in my body when I work in the morning. That makes me more productive and energetic. Do you have the same morning routine every day? Well, personally, yes. The first thing I do after waking up is that I meditate for a few minutes. And I think it's a good way to start my new day by preparing meditation for a new day, both physically and mentally. And then I have a nice breakfast because I think that a good day will start with a good meal. And my breakfast also makes me full of beans to start a productive day. And in the future, if I have a chance, I will sign up my name for a gym class in the morning. Do you usually eat breakfast at home? Well, yes, I often have breakfast with some rice, egg, and some milk on a regular basis. And I think it's a good habit because I can get a lot of nutrition on in breakfast that that this qualified meal will boost my efficiency on daily life, and I will have an opportunity to avoid some health problems when I get older, namely obesity, hypertension, or cardiovascular. Although I really try to keep this healthy lifestyle, sometimes I get up late for school, so I have to grab some fast food to save time. Are there any differences between what you do in the morning now and what you did in the past? Well, when I was a child, I woke up so late, and because I had breakfast at school and I went to bed so early after I read my favorite comic books and reviewed some alphabets and numbers. I think that's an ideal routine for a kid. But when I'm a student in secondary school up to now, I have been waking up early to prepare for school, but I have to stay up late because has been up my neck for assignments and prepare for the next examinations. I think it's so I'm so busy on which day and I have no time to hang out with my friend until weekends. And in the future, I think I will improve my time management skill to make me feel more comfortable even has many assignments and prepare many things about my study journey. Topic 13. Noise. Which do you think makes louder noise, in cities or in the countryside? Well, personally, I think city has been make louder noise since there are a huge amount of people living and working in the regions that cause hustle and bustle of those places. But in the countryside, the atmosphere is more peaceful. So I think many young people will want to move to countryside to enjoy a peaceful pace of life after their retirement. But in the future, I think the countryside will be more noisy, will be more noisy because of the urbanization that many buildings may might be built more. What noise do we have in the cities? Well, I think the one of the most popular kinds of noise is from construction sites that it may result from diggers and bulldozers. And what even worse, the outdoor commercial performances with deafening music might makes people so confused. For example, when a supermarket is on grand opening, there are many kinds of music for congratulation that may drive participants traffic nuts. What kinds of noise do cars make? Well, I think one of those most common noise can make is when it start the engine, and even worse when the driver honk their horns on the street. It will possibly makes people around so annoyed. And in some case, if a driver hits the brake, the screech just freaks people out.